Good afternoon, welcome down Lloyd Honda Motorcycles. Here we have the latest addition to our used stock. This is a 2022 Yamaha Tenere World Raid. Absolutely awesome bike. It's only got 1,400 miles on the clock. It's got some nice little extras on as well. Bike is in mint condition, as you'd expect with a bike of this mileage. Let's have a little look round. See, it's been fitted with the Yamaha Pannier axle, although it doesn't have the panniers. Really nice bike this. Engine bars on the front there, crash bars on the front. See, all the tyres are all really good, wheels are good. Brakes are all in really nice condition. It's been fitted with a power bronze taller screen as well. Got the knuckle guards on, it's also got some Oxford heated grips. As you'd expect, it's absolutely mint. Quite a tall bike. It's the latest model as well, with the twin fuel tanks and the Öhlins damper. The colour screen there, you can see 1,416 miles on the clock. So there you go, absolutely cracking bike this. Those of you that know what you're looking at, know what you're looking at. If you're in the market for a kind of mid-range adventure bike, then give us a call on this one, 01228 516 216. Come on down, take a closer look, maybe take it out for a little spin. Alrighty, cheers.